तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य प्रदारविन्दम् किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसी मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वो. Did I bow down? The four Kumaras, they bowed to the Lord. And when they bowed down like that, then the fragrance of Tulsi Devi entered into the nostrils of the four Kumaras. And then Sanshobham Akshara Jusham Apichitta Tanvo happened. Am I bowing down to the pure devotee like that? So the devotion from the heart of that pure devotee can enter into me. Do I have that great attachment and submission, the raga, to who has given me this nama? See, this is the quality of the soul, to submit to Bhagavan, to the Bhagavata is a quality of the soul. And it is nothing to do with the time, place, and person. Sometimes, most of the time, so Gurudev is not personally, he's not physically present. Doesn't have to be physically present. And sometimes they're just unmanifest. They're not even present on the planet. Does it mean that Gurudev is not with us? No. Guru Tattva is not limited by time, place, person. No. Gurudeva is always present with us. What is happening to us in bhakti is simply that is between the Bhagavan and the soul with the orchestration of Guru Tattva. That's all the spiritual journey is about. It's not that people are doing something to us. No, it's all Bhagavan doing to the Jiva. So ultimately, is my soul waking up to this fact? Is this quality present within me? This submission to the realized soul, is this quality present within me? If this quality is present, then it will invoke the presence of Bhagavan. And none of this is limited to the time, place, and person. When this quality is being evoked in the soul, then the Nama will manifest itself, reveal itself. Chetodarpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam anandambudivartanam pratipadam purnamrita swadanam sarvatmasnapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. So ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya mayi te teshu chapyaham. Is that happening? Nam Bhagavan is here. And when we are seeing this Nama as Bhagavan and want to do the bhajan of this Nama, then that will happen only when we submit to the lotus feet of Sri Guru who has given this Nama. Then only we will be able to do the bhajan of Bhagavan. Then Nama will be within us. We will be in the Nama. Mayi te teshu chapyaham. Yeah. Namna makari bahudam nija sarva shaktis tatrarpitani amitasmaranena kalam etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi dhurtaiva mitrishamiha janina anuragaham trinadapi sunichena taroreva sahishnuna अमानिना मानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा हरि. Is that happening within me? Kirtaniya sada hari, always glorifying the Lord, always glorifying Bhagavan, always acknowledging and honoring the mercy. Is that quality being invoked within me? Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam va jagadisha kamayim. Mama janmani janmani shware bhavatad bhaktya hai tukitvayi. This is the depth in bhakti. I want nothing but you, your loving service. I don't care if there are problems or not. I don't care if there are hurdles or not. I don't care whatever body am I in. Nothing matters, Bhagavan. All that matters is a loving service to you uninterruptedly. Oh my goodness. How can a jiva come to that point? When there is a raga to a raga bhakta, then there will be raga to the nama. Then the jiva is brought to this state. Jiva gets addicted to the loving service of Bhagavan. Then Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishame Bhavam Buddha Kripayam Tava Pada Pankaja Stita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. This is Guru Samsara. Guru Samsara is filled with Krishna, loving service to Krishna, uninterrupted loving service to Krishna. That's what happens in Guru Samsara. You are placed as a saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Then Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadaruthaya Giram Pulakair Nichitair Vapukada Tavanama Grihane Bhavishyati. Then nothing touches, though we are in this mortal body, mortal frame. And Adi Daivika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Atma, no tapa touches because we are placed as a dust particle, saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Lord Hari. And then Yugaitam Nimishena Chakshusha Pravarshaitam Shunyaitam Jagat Sarvam Govinda Virahena Me. Totally addicted. Hey, Naam Prabhu, Govinda. Not even for a moment, please don't be gone even for a moment. I want your loving service at all times, every moment. And that is the only thing that happens in Guru Samsara, nothing else, because there is no Maya there, only Krishna, Preeti Seva. Aslishyava padaratam pinastumam Adarshanam marmahatam karotuvam Yeda tadha vidadhato lampato Matprananadastu sayevana paraha prananatha. Shri Harinam Prabhu Gopinatha. సో మనకి ఎంత మందం రాగం ఉందో రాగ భక్తుడి మీద అంత మందము నామం మీద రాగం ఏర్పడుతుంది. అప్పుడు మనము గురు సంసారంలో ఉన్నట్టు, మాయ సంసారం నుండి గురు సంసారంలో ఉన్నట్టు. గురు సంసారంలో ఉన్నట్టు జస్ట్ భగవంతుడే ఉన్నాడు, భగవత్ ప్రీతికరమైన సేవ జరుగుతుంది అంతే. ఇక అప్పుడు భగవత్ ప్రీతి తప్పితే ఇంకేది లేదు మన ఉనికిలో. So whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Nama, for Krishna will increase day by day. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Taramadya Sarvasreshta Nama Samkirtana Niraparadha Nama Lele Paye Premadhana. So when we hear all this praise, morning praise and the katha relevant to this, then our chitta is now ready to serve the Nama without aparadha. This is how we get Krishna Prema. This is why all this preparation for the Nama. So there is no aparadha and we can get Prema Dana. Otherwise it would just be a checklist japa. So japa in light of this praise and katha will be the Niraparada Nama. Atha eva nama matram Vaishnavera dharma Nami prasputita hoile Rupa guna karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य